Hello and welcome back. Here in this lecture, we will see the installation and additional resources which you required for this course. There are a lot of integrated development environments available to write the Python code. The mostly famous is the Anaconda distribution, which you can use for Python, R, and data science platforms to write the code for the Python. And here the installers are available for Python 3.7 version and Python 2.7 version for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux environment. Here by default Mac was selected because it is the Mac machine, and here the Windows installer available. So after getting download, like from here you can download this stuff and it will be the appear like here the exe for Windows, and for Mac OS X it will be the dot package file, and for Linux it will be the for package file as well. After the downloading of it and starting our installation, you can follow the documentation complete installation guide here, and also you can see the Anaconda cheat sheet as well here, what is available in it as a Anaconda starter guide is available, so you can go through this and guide and run it. Right now we are looking into the installation, so you can click here on installation, and there are the Windows, Mac OS X, Linux Power, and the silent mode, multiple users, verify your installation. All these details are available. Suppose you are installing it on Windows, then you just needs to be the download the installer, click next for just me, and here you need to be the set the path for installation, and here again you can add the path to your environment and register Anaconda as default 3.7 the Python language, and also you can uncheck it and then set as custom registered language as per your need. And here by this just next moving, you will finish the installation, and that's it. This will be the process on the Windows machine. And for Mac OS X, you just needs to be the download the installer, run it, and change the install location. If you want to install it on specific location, then you can install it on specific location, and you can install it cannot install it with the me only location, so you need to be the set it some install on specific disk location. And then PyCharm, if you want to add the PyCharm, this is the ID by default coming with it, you can install it as well. And also you can complete the installation, and you can change the path for file path with the help of this path and file name. So this is recommended for hash verification, and also you can install the Python 3.7 or 2.7 as per your need by bash command as well. And these are the two different commands for 3.7 and 2.7. And also by this way you can easily install it on Linux. You can just prerequisites for Debian, Red Hat Linux, and Arch Linux, and OpenSSL and Gentoo these are. And for installation you just browse the download the installer of this, and then verify the data integrity with the SH256, and also you can enter the following commands for Python 3.7 and 2.7, and that's it. And the similar way you can installing on Linux Power as well and Red Hat, and these are the prerequisites for it, and the remaining steps are similar. And also you can verify your installation by here in the Windows environment. You can see Anaconda Navigator, and also for Conda at Anaconda prompt, command prompt, you can see it. For Mac OS X, you can just open the navigator from here, the application launchpad. If you see here, the Anaconda navigator is already installed, and when you run it, then it will be the look like this. Anaconda navigator is launching, and it takes always some time when you log in it, when you start it. So it is initializing the Anaconda, and it will be a load. So look, it will be the look like this. Here the Jupyter Lab is available, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, and these are by default. RStudio and VS Studio are already, you can install from here as well. So here is the Jupyter Notebook, and you can launch it from here and start the writing code in it using by Jupyter Notebook. When you click on it, then it will be the look like this way. And from here you can see Python 2 is already available in it. You can install the Python 3 as well, and also you can write here, create the new Python 2 file like here, and then we will later on see that how to use the Jupyter Notebook. So currently we were here in our this installation process.